Hello and welcome. Now in this video we are going to be discussing the file command, and in particular we're going to focus on the export command within the file menu. So to find it, you'll go to the file menu and then you'll see export here on the left side menu. You're going to click that link and you're going to see 6 choices. Now the first choice will be for you to be able to turn your PowerPoint presentation into an Adobe PDF. Now obviously there are other ways to do this other than using the export command. However, you can go straight from this screen into, what you'll do is you'll just click this link and then PowerPoint will ask you if it has permission to use the Adobe PDF Maker. Now for the sake of this video, we're not going to go through this process. You can also turn the document into a PDF/XPS document. This will keep your formatting and your layout. All you'll need to do is to click this link. And then you can save as the actual document. You can also turn your entire presentation into a video. And when you do that, what's going to happen is PowerPoint is going to assume that this video is going to be animated and it's going to go forward by itself, and that it will use the recorded timings and narrations already in the slide. And in fact, you'll see here that PowerPoint gives you a certain number of seconds between each slide that is expected to be used when the viewer watches the video. You can go up or down in quality when you create the video, and you can either use the recorded timings or the default duration, and you can set everything from this area. All you need to do to get started creating a video is to click Create Video. You'll be asked to save as an MP4 video. You'll then click Save. And you'll see the progress of your video creation in your ribbon at the bottom of your PowerPoint presentation screen. And that video is then saved directly to your OneDrive. And you'll see the document playing inside of your personal computer. Now the next link in the export area is to package the presentation as a CD. You'll have this dialog come up. You'll click this link and then you'll add in the PowerPoint presentation to run on the CD the way you want it. And then what you'll do is you'll click Copy to CD. Of course, you'll need to have a CD installed. You'll also be able to use the export screen to create handouts. You'll click the Create Handouts link. You'll then click Create Handouts here. And then you'll get a dialog box giving you options on how to recreate your slides as a Microsoft Word document to hand out to people who are going to be watching your presentation. And when we click the button, you'll have a Microsoft Word document come up, and you'll have a document that looks like this with your slides on your Microsoft Word document. Now again, you have control over how to make this look, and you'll be able to do that in the export dialog box. And finally, you can use the export command to change the file type. You click this link and you'll notice that most of these are presentation file types. However, one thing that you can do is you can turn your entire presentation into a series of PNG files or into a series of JPEG files. Or you can save as another file type altogether. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.